They're strawberry marshmallows. These are brand new. We bought the super big bottles of these a couple weeks ago. These are new too, you guys. I'm definitely gonna get more of them today. What's up, YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny, Birdy, Gator. So we're right here where we left off, and we're looking at all things pretty and pink. Well, not really, but I am noticing lots of pink things. I'm wearing my pink coat. We have Starburst all pink. We have strawberry what? Strawberry marshmallows, you guys. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are so cute. We bought the super big bottles of these a couple weeks ago. Now we just have the little bottles. This is the avocado hot sauce. I really liked it. Okay, let's put this back. So I just noticed these, you guys. I actually noticed these in the last video. You get 8 ounces. These are the Jet Puffed Hearts. They're strawberry marshmallows, super cute. Do we have a recipe idea on the back? I love chocolate layers recipe. Oh, look. I'm guessing these were probably from Valentine's Day. We also have the cherry Starburst. We have name brands, you guys. We have Dove peanut butter milk chocolate. That's a pudding and pie filling. We have almond milk, vanilla almond milk. One of you told me that when you lost power, you were really happy to have your shelf-stable milk because you were able to give your baby milk. We have shelf-stable whole milk and 2%. And in some of my other stores, we've had some other varieties as well. So we have the almond milk, unsweetened almond milk, which is very low calories, low points if you're doing Weight Watchers. We also have the sweetened almond vanilla, which is really good for smoothies. We have 2% and whole milk. And then down here by this brand, we have 2% and whole milk. This brand is Dairy Pure. So I think it would be good to have a little backup, or, you know, just to have a backup in case, you know, I don't know. I just always love having backup milks, especially when my kids were younger. And there were times where they really liked having cereal, and sometimes bad weather would come up and then we wouldn't go to the store, and I was really happy to have my extra little stash of milk. Okay, these are new too, you guys. Skinny Fruits, no added sugar. Made in the Philippines. These are product of the Philippines. Gluten-free, lactose-free, vegan, tropical fruit salad, Skinny Fruits. We also have sliced peaches and heavy syrup. If you guys are looking for a really fresh, nice flavor to add to your smoothies, go ahead and do a little flash freeze. Take some peaches, put them on a cookie sheet, space them out, put them in your freezer for about an hour or so, and then put them in a little Ziploc bag and throw them into your smoothies. Even just a couple slices of canned peaches makes your smoothie just have this nice, fresh, like summery taste to it. I love it. I haven't done it in a while because I haven't been doing many smoothies, but I do love that option. Then we have tons and tons of snack packs over here. We have chocolate vanilla. We also have sugar-free varieties in strawberry and orange. We have sugar-free chocolate. Yummy. I might have to get some of those for today. I'm really hungry today. We have vanilla. We have tapioca made with real milk. We have Juicy Gels strawberry. We have, did I already say chocolate vanilla? I think I did. Chocolate vanilla. We have little diced peach cups on the go. What is this, like butterscotch? Yes, this is butterscotch. The butterscotch is definitely new. Let's look at this. 5 calories per serving. It's probably going to be 0 points. 0 calories, 0 sugar, 0 protein, 1 carb. I didn't scan it, but I'm guessing this is going to be 0 Weight Watchers points if you want a little something sweet. Ooh, the balsamic vinegar is here. These are brand new. Brand new little balsamic vinegar from the Leaping Leopard brand. You get 6 ounces. The food coloring is still here. I think I want to get a couple of these this week. I have a little stash going over here of things that I want to get, but I didn't grab a cart. Let's see, we have A1. Oh yeah, my family liked this. I'm gonna get one of these also. The Leaping Leopard sweet chili sauce. We have soy sauce. Buffalo hot wing sauce, that's new. Teriyaki marinade, lemon pepper. I think some of those are new. I need to remember to buy chili powder. Yes, chili powder. You get 3 ounces in a container. I better add that to the stash. I was making my homemade chili the other day and I wanted to double the recipe and I only had enough chili powder for a single recipe. I still made it work, of course, but chili powder is one of the ingredients. I make my own spices and everything, like everything's from scratch. Garlic croutons and seasoned croutons. Those are new. Oh, I need to get some more brown rice too. Brown rice. And remember, you guys, we do have this $1 section of canned goods and this little $1 section of ramen. But double check when they scan it for you, because I did have some of these items scanned for $1.25, and they're not $1.25, they're $1. We have the chow mein teriyaki beef. We have the hot and spicy shrimp. We have the 5-pack of Nissan ramen in beef and in chicken. I don't know if the Maruchan is supposed to be here though, the 3-pack. But it is just a single 3-pack. In my house, we really love this one. Birdy had one of these the other day and she said she really liked the beef barley. And when I first saw it, I was a little hesitant because I just didn't know. You know, sometimes canned beef soups just aren't done very well. But this one is my favorite. What I've been doing lately is I've been adding a whole can of green beans to it. And then the soup is basically like 2 points, but then you add the green beans and it zeroes it out because I'm doing Weight Watchers. And by the way, you guys, I'm down over 12 pounds, 14.8 pounds last time I checked. So yes, sometimes I like to have these for lunch. I'm definitely gonna get more of them today, but I'm gonna have to come up with a cart or a box or something because I'm just buying all these things and not having the room. These are new. I guess I should have gotten a cart. Also the chicken with rice soup made with chicken bone broth from Healthy Choice. Those are definitely new. 20 grams of protein. I haven't tried either though. Thai green curry from Starkist. Tuna Thai green curry, and you just stick it in your microwave. I think that's new also. We found lots of new items, everything from balsamic vinegar to a couple new flavors of jellos to strawberry marshmallows, just basic pantry items. We also found the little avocado hot sauces that are new, but look for the big ones because we did have the larger ones in our stores just a couple weeks ago. Definitely take a minute to check and see what your stores have, because we're actually finding a lot of good items, a lot of good shelf stable items, a lot of new seasonings and all sorts of things to make our meals taste even better. But all right, you guys, I love shopping with you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.